Most people are like open books with the pages falling out. They broadcast their plans, their pains, and their private lives to anyone who will listen. They think sharing makes them connected, but it actually makes them weak. Every time you tell a secret or brag about a goal, you leak power. You become predictable. You become a target. The high IQ Stoic is a social ghost. He keeps his inner world locked in a fortress, showing the world only the results, never the process. Today, we are installing the Vault Protocol. We are going through the 18 things you must keep secret if you want to remain unshakable. These aren't just rules. They are shields for your soul. Pay close attention to the secrets regarding your goals. Telling them is the fastest way to fail. The era of being an open book is over. On your next big move. The sharpest blade is forged in a silent room, and the strongest man is the one the world never sees coming. Never announce your next play. Let them see the win, not the work. In a world addicted to status updates, the most powerful thing you can do is go dark. When you tell people your big move, you get a fake shot of success before you've even started. This tricks your brain into thinking the job is done, killing your hunger. By keeping your plans secret, you turn that energy into a fuel that can only be released through hard action. Don't give your enemies a head start or your friends a reason to doubt you. Let the results do the talking. 2. Your income. Money is a tool for freedom, not a trophy for the ego. Keep the numbers private. When you talk about your income, you invite unwanted opinions and hidden agendas. If you have a lot, people become jealous or start looking for handouts. If you have a little, they look down on you. Neither helps your mission. A man of Stoic. Discipline knows that true wealth is the ability to walk away from things that don't serve him, not the ability to impress strangers. By keeping your finances a secret, you move through the world without a target on your back. You stay humble, focused, and in control of your own value. 3. Your daily habits. The alarm clock doesn't need an audience, and neither do you. Don't brag about your 4 a.m. wake-up call. Just do it. Bragging about your habits is a sign that you are doing them for the wrong reasons. If you need a like to stay disciplined, your discipline is fragile. An irresistible man doesn't seek validation for doing what is necessary. He wakes up early, works out, and eats right because it is his code, not because he wants a round of applause. When you keep your habits quiet, they become a permanent part of your character rather than a performance for others. The work is the reward. 4. Your training. A strong body is a visible proof of a disciplined mind, and it requires no explanation. Let your physique or your skills speak for your discipline. You don't need to post every gym session or talk about how much you can lift. If you have done the work, people will see it in the way you carry yourself and the way you move through the world. Training is a private battle between who you are and who you want to be. When you let your results speak, you command a silent respect that words could never achieve. Your body is the evidence. Your silence is the power. 5. Your business ideas. Ideas are the easiest part of any journey, but they are also the most fragile. Ideas are cheap. Execution is expensive. When you share a business idea before it's built, you expose it to the cold water of other people's fears. Most people will tell you why it won't work because they are too afraid to try anything themselves. Furthermore, talking about an idea gives you a sense of accomplishment that you haven't earned yet. Keep your ideas locked away until they are backed by action. Build your empire in the shadows, and only show it to the world once the foundation is too strong to be broken. 6. Your strategy. A general who shows his map to the enemy has already lost the war. Never show your hand before you play the card. In business and in life, your strategy is your leverage. If people know exactly how you think and what you're planning to do next, you become predictable. Predictability is the death of power. By keeping your strategy to yourself, you remain a fixed point that others cannot rattle. You stay 3 steps ahead because you are the only one who knows the full picture. Let your competitors guess. While they are busy wondering, you are busy winning. 7. Your ambition. The higher you aim, the more people will try to pull you back to the ground. People will try to talk you out of greatness. Don't let them. Your ambition is a sacred fire, and most people are carrying buckets of water. They will call you unrealistic or obsessed because your drive makes them feel bad about their own laziness. If you share your biggest dreams with small-minded people, they will try to kill them with logic. Protect your vision like a lion protects its cubs. You don't need their permission to be great. You only need the discipline to keep moving forward in silence. 8. Your productivity hacks. Success is about finding what works for you and doing it until the job is done. If it works for you, use it. You don't need a fan club, whether it's a specific way of organizing your day or a unique mental trick to stay focused. Your productivity is your business. You don't need to become a guru who explains every detail of how you get things done. Searching for approval for your methods is just another way of wasting time. The goal is the output, not the process. Use your tools, get the win, and stay focused on the mission. 9. Your self-improvement journey. Real change is felt by the world, not announced to it. Stop telling people you're changing, just change. When you tell everyone you are on a new path, you are usually just looking for a good job to make yourself feel better. True transformation happens in the dark, during the hours when no one is watching. If you have truly changed, people will notice the difference in your eyes, your voice, and your actions. You won't have to say a word. Let the old you die quietly, and let the new you emerge through the way you live your life. Stay strong, stay stoic. 10. Your deepest fear. The strongest fortress is not the one with the thickest walls, but the one whose layout remains a complete mystery to the enemy. Don't give others the map to your triggers. When you broadcast your deepest fears, you are essentially handing over the keys to your emotional kingdom. In a world of competition and shifting loyalties, your vulnerabilities can be used as leverage or weapons by those who seek to rattle you. A man of stoic discipline processes his fears internally. He analyzes them, deconstructs them, and faces them down until they lose their power. By keeping your fears private, you maintain an aura of unshakable calm. You become a fixed point that cannot be easily manipulated, because no one knows where your boundaries truly lie. Silence regarding your terrors is not about being fake. It is about maintaining your tactical advantage. Let the world see your courage. Keep the source of your trembling to yourself. 11. Your self-doubt. The battle for your soul is fought in the silence of the night, and it is a war you must win alone. Deal with your demons in the dark. Show the world the light. Everyone experiences moments of uncertainty, but the moment you voice that doubt to the world, it becomes a reality in the minds of others. If you don't believe in your mission, why should anyone else? Sharing your self-doubt often invites pity or advice from people who aren't qualified to give it, which only serves to weaken your resolve. Instead, handle your internal conflicts through journaling, deep thought, or quiet reflection. Forge your confidence in private so that when you finally step into the light, your presence is solid and undeniable. The world needs your strength and your results, not your hesitation. Be the nurturing lion who has already conquered his own shadows before stepping out to protect his pride. 12. Your past mistakes. A man's history is a ledger of lessons learned, not a script to be read at every dinner table. Your history is a teacher, not a conversation starter. Bringing up your past mistakes as funny stories or confessions often serves only to lower your status in the present. While it is vital to be honest with yourself about where you failed, the world does not need a constant reminder of the version of you that no longer exists. You are not a shadow of your past. You are the man you have built through fire and discipline. If a mistake provides a specific, high-value lesson for someone else, share it with surgical precision. Otherwise, let the dead bury the dead. Your past failures are the raw materials for your current wisdom. Keep the construction process private and let the world simply admire the finished building. You are defined by your current radical integrity, not by the person you were before you found your path. 13. Your regrets. Energy spent looking backward is energy stolen from your future, and sharing that regret only spreads the heaviness. Fix what you can, silence the rest. Regret is a ghost that haunts the halls of an undisciplined mind. If there is an action you can take today to make amends or correct a course, take it with fixed point energy. If the situation is beyond your control, then it falls under the law of amor fati, love your fate. Talking about what could have been makes you look weak and indecisive. It signals that you are not fully present in the laboratory of growth that is your current life. Silence your regrets by outperforming your past. When you refuse to give your regrets a voice, they eventually starve and die. Your home and your mind should be a sanctuary of peace, not a courtroom where you are constantly relitigating old cases. Move toward the sunrise and leave the sunset behind. 14. Your resentment. Carrying a grudge is like keeping a hot coal in your pocket and wondering why. You are the only one getting burned. Carrying a grudge is like drinking poison. Don't share the cup. When you talk about how someone wronged you, you are giving that person rent-free space in your head and inviting others to join in your bitterness. This creates an environment of gossip and cynicism that stains your character. A Stoic understands that people act according to their own nature. If someone is a constant critic or a user, that is their burden to bear, not yours. By refusing to speak of your resentment, you cut the cord that binds you to the offender. You don't need justice from the world. You find justice in your own peace of mind. Keep your heart clean and your conversations elevated. When you stop sharing the cup of poison, you finally start to heal. 15. Your meditation prayer. The most profound conversations you will ever have are the ones where no one else is listening. Your connection to the universe is private. Whether you find your center through Stoic meditation, prayer, or silent reflection in your inner citadel, that connection is a sacred bond. Bragging about your spiritual journey or your mindfulness turns a deep internal practice into a shallow external performance. It becomes just another way to seek user validation from others. True spiritual strength is seen in your emotional gravity and your gentle power, not in your ability to quote scripture or describe your visions. Keep your sacred practices hidden in the stillness of solitude. When your connection to the higher power is truly deep, it will manifest as a calm energy that people can feel but cannot quite explain. Let them wonder where your peace comes from while you continue to drink from the silent well. 16. Your personal philosophy. A philosophy that only exists in your mouth is not a philosophy. It is a costume. Live it. Don't preach it. The world is full of cynics who talk about virtue while living in chaos. Don't be the man who lectures others on stoicism while losing his cool in traffic. Your personal philosophy should be the invisible skeleton that supports your life, not the clothes you wear to look smart. Instead of telling people how they should live, show them a life that is so disciplined, so peaceful, and so effective that they cannot help but ask you for your secret. As Epictetus said, sheep do not throw up the grass to show the shepherds how much they have eaten, but inwardly digesting their food, they outwardly produce wool and milk. Be the man who produces the wool of results. Your radical integrity is your message. Your silence is your strength. 17. Your dreams, the literal ones. The images your mind creates while you sleep are a private theater with an audience of one. No one cares about your subconscious mind. Sharing your literal dreams is often a form of noise that provides zero value to the listener. It is a disorganized gossip session with your own brain. Unless a dream provides a specific, actionable insight into your self-improvement journey, it is best kept in your journal. An irresistible man stays focused on the waking world, the world where he can exert his will and take action. Talking about your dreams makes you seem lost in the clouds rather than grounded in fixed point energy. Keep your eyes on the sunrise of reality and the goals you can actually achieve. The world respects the man who builds a kingdom in the daylight, not the one who describes the palace he saw in his sleep. 18. Your inner conversations. The most important person you will ever talk to is the one staring back at you in the mirror. The things you tell yourself stay with you. Your inner conversations are the forge where your character is hammered into shape. If you are constantly telling yourself that you are a warrior of the spirit, that identity will eventually harden into reality. However, the moment you start sharing these internal dialogues, you invite the disrespectful guest of public opinion into your most private laboratory. People will try to critique your self-talk or mock your personal mission. Guard these conversations as if they were a bridge built on convenience that must never be allowed to collapse. Your internal world is your sanctuary. By keeping your self-talk private, you ensure that your motivation remains pure and independent of the noise of the crowd. You are the master of your own life, and your internal dialogue is the command center. Keep the gates locked. Silence is the ultimate weapon of the sovereign. By keeping these 18 things in the vault, you stop being a target and start being a force. Most people will finish this and go right back to posting their whole lives online. They will stay leaky. But you stayed. Lock the vault. Level up or stay average. The choice is yours.